Welcome to the Cattery Cat Shelter's YouTube channel. We're here to help cats find loving homes and share tips for keeping your furry friends happy and healthy. Happy holidays, everyone! Today we're talking about how to keep our feline friends safe during this festive season. Let's explore some common holiday hazards for cats. First up, let's talk decorations. While tinsel and glittery ornaments can make your tree sparkle, they can be tempting and dangerous if your cat decides to chew or swallow them. This can lead to intestinal blockages, a serious health risk. Stick to cat-safe decor like unbreakable ornaments and skip the tinsel this year. And speaking of trees, make sure your Christmas tree is securely anchored. A toppling tree can scare your pet and cause injuries. Now on to plants and foods. Many popular holiday plants like poinsettias, holly, and mistletoe are toxic to cats. Symptoms of poisoning can include vomiting, diarrhea, and even more severe reactions. Opt for artificial plants to keep the festive look without the risk. And let's not forget about holiday treats. Foods like chocolate, xylitol sweetened goods, and certain nuts are harmful to cats. Keep these well out of reach, and make sure guests know not to sneak any snacks to your pets. Lights and candles add a cozy glow to holiday settings, but they pose serious risks. Chewing on electrical cords can lead to shocks or burns for curious cats. Use cord protectors or keep wires hidden and unplugged when not in use. And while candles look beautiful, they can easily be knocked over by a playful paw, leading to burns or fires. Flameless LED candles are a great alternative, providing the same festive atmosphere without the danger. Keeping these tips in mind will help ensure a safe and joyful holiday season for both you and your cats. Remember, a little precaution goes a long way in keeping our beloved pets out of harm's way. Thanks for watching. Remember to check out our merch store in the description. Every purchase helps fund our shelter and save more lives. See you next time, and stay positive.